Ever worry about your money when you're banking on the go? It's a valid concern. In a world where your entire financial life is right there on your phone, how safe are mobile banking apps? And specifically, how secure is BrioDirect mobile banking? That's what we're breaking down today. BrioDirect is the online brand of Webster Bank, N.A., and when it comes to security, they approach it with multiple layers of protection, which is exactly what you want from any modern financial institution. First, let's talk about access. BrioDirect uses a few key features to make sure only you can get into your account. This includes password requirements, which is standard, but they step it up with biometric credentials. That means you can use things like Face ID or Touch ID for quick, yet highly secure, access to the app, bypassing the need to type in a password every single time. Beyond that initial login, they employ multi-factor authentication, or MFA. This is one of the biggest defense lines in digital security. If you or someone else tries to log in, you might be asked for more than just your username and password. This could involve a one-time password sent to your phone or email, or answering security questions. This second step is critical because even if a hacker gets your password, they usually won't have the second factor. BrioDirect also provides tools for you to be proactive. Their app allows you to set up account alerts. You can get notifications for large purchases, low balances, transfers, or even ATM transactions. These alerts are your early warning system, helping you to spot any suspicious activity immediately so you can report it. And let's not forget the foundation. BrioDirect is part of Webster Bank, N.A., which is an FDIC-insured institution. This means your deposits are protected up to the maximum allowable FDIC limits. While this isn't a mobile security feature, it gives you peace of mind that the institution holding your money has that essential layer of stability and protection. The bottom line is that BrioDirect's mobile banking is backed by industry-standard, advanced security features, including biometrics and multi-factor authentication, to keep unauthorized users out. For your part, the key is to always use those strong security features, keep your phone's software updated, and only use the app on trusted networks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.